Hi everyone, I'm Atomio. Next, after the installation is complete, let's take a look at where our plugin will appear. Now activate your Blender. We use the shortcut key. We can see the corresponding installed plugin will appear in our panel next to it. At this time, please note which version you purchased. Its corresponding name will be different. Here I'm using the SPE Max version. If we have installed the Pro or Max version, then the engine bridge option will only appear. Next, we can look at the blocks on both sides. They can be dragged freely. You can freely place them where you want. Next, let's introduce. Our panel will be divided into 5 major blocks in total. First is the first block as one block. The next is the S2 block. Next is the S3 block. And the S4 block at the bottom. Then there is the Purchase Pro version, and Max version exclusive S5 block. That's the introduction to these 5 major blocks. For a detailed introduction, see you in the next chapter.